a sacred place, a sacred time, a sacred offering. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Paragame Bhavatu me. With the blessings and grace of our beloved Mohanji, Mohanji Bharat and Amukher Charitable Trust are happy to announce the second year of Maha Prasad Seva during the most auspicious time of Rath Yatra at Puri, which will be taking place from the 20th June to 2nd July 2023. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Paragame Bhavatu me. Last year, the MahaPrasad Seva was a spectacular success. This year, we once again aim to offer MahaPrasad to thousands of pilgrims from the stall of Mohanji, which would be right next to the Gundicha Mandir, where the Lord would reside for the auspicious 9 days. In addition, we will also offer water and first aid to those in need. This year, Amukher has taken up one more important initiative. As Puri gears up to celebrate the Rath Yatra, hundreds of cows that wander the streets of Puri will be taken to a special shelter, cared for and nourished with fruits and vegetables. As Mohanji would say, the lineage karma has a very dominant role in each one's life, and feeding cows is a blessed opportunity to eliminate the lineage karma and also get the blessings of Lord Jagannatha. Can we ever think of Lord Hari without the cows around? This is going to be a huge, unforgettable event, and we request the entire global family to come forward, donate generously and make it a grand success. Jagannatha Swami Nayana Paragame Bhavatu me.